there too much violence in the media? Studies say no. National tragedies such as mass shootings lead to emotional responses. Although rare, when they occur, people tend to blame violent media, when in fact millions of Americans see violent imagery in films and on TV every day, but few become killers. Japan is home to Nintendo, Sega, and Sony. Combined with South Korea, these two countries spend more per capita on video games than the United States. Although they have huge and highly competitive gaming communities, they are also among the lowest in rates of violent crime in the world. Opponents continue the fight even after extensive study and broad agreement that finds no link between video games and violent behavior. Every court, including the Supreme Court, has rejected the argument that violent video games cause minors to act aggressively. A policy statement from the American Psychological Association confirms evidence is clear. Video games are not a risk factor for serious acts of aggression. Neither are violent movies nor other forms of media.